The city of Ayodhya is all set to welcome Prime Minister Narendra Modi ahead of the third phase of elections. Prime Minister Modi will be in the city temple of Ayodhya today, and the government has decorated the entire city for Prime Minister's visit. He will be offering prayers and then also performing puja at the Ram temple at about 7 p.m. today. This is Prime Minister's first visit to the city of Ayodhya after the Pran Pratishtha ceremony took place on the 22nd of January. After darshan of Ram Lalla, Prime Minister is all set to hold a 2-kilometer long roadshow. Saints and Mahants of the city of Ayodhya will also be accompanying Prime Minister in the roadshow. Platforms have been set up at various points on the entire stretch where Prime Minister will hold this roadshow. Ram Lalla Darshan Marg is also decked up.
Ramnagari Ayodhya is gearing up for Prime Minister Modi's visit amid Lok Sabha elections, and you can see the people out here raising the slogans of Jai Siya Ram right here. Elderly people, saints, women, children, everyone out here is coming here for taking blessings of Lord Ram, and also they are excited with PM visit. But if you talk about the roadshow, the security arrangements, you can clearly witness the scanners right here have been put all around the city wherever the roadshow will come or go. If you see a longer view, this is the area from where you can clearly see the Ram temple. It starts from that particular area. Hoardings of PM Modi are also right there. PM will be landing in Ayodhya around 6:40 p.m. and later he will be going to the Ram temple along with CM Yogi to take blessings of Lord Ram, and after that the roadshow will start from near Sugriv Kila to Ram Ki Paidi, and around 8:20 p.m. he will leave for Bhubaneswar. Though this visit is also special for the BJP, as this will not just be limited to Ayodhya electoral area but also in the Awadh region of the BJP, which stores Bahraich, Gonda, Ambedkar Nagar and a lot of districts where BJP is taking on Samajwadi Party and Congress. With cameraman Neeraj Kumar, Samarth Srivastava for India Today.
बड़ी हंसी और खुशी की बात है कि देश के प्रधानमंत्री अयोध्या श्री रामलला का दर्शन करके अयोध्या सुग्री किला से लेकर के लता मंगेशकर चौराहा तक रोड शो करेंगे, जिसमें तीर्थ पुरोहित समाज जगह जगह पर कैंप लगा करके हजारों के तादाद में फूल वर्षा का स्वागत करेगा। तीर्थ पुरोहित समाज के द्वारा जगह जगह पर व्यवस्था रखी गई है और पूरे अयोध्या में संत समाज, रहने वाले यहाँ के लोग, नागरिक पूरे खुशी से झूम उठे हैं कि देश के प्रधानमंत्री अयोध्या आकर के रामलला का दर्शन कर रहे हैं।
बहुत अच्छी बात है, प्रधानमंत्री आ रहे हैं और प्राण प्रतिष्ठा के बाद ये प्रथम बार आ रहे हैं और साथ साथ चुनाव का माहौल चल रहा है। ऐसी चुनाव में रोड शो भी करेंगे और रामलला का दर्शन करेंगे। रामलला के दर्शन में जो भी इनके सम्मान होता है उस प्रकार से दर्शन के अवधि में इनके सम्मान किया जाएगा और साथ ही साथ शुभकामनाएं, शुभ आशीर्वाद दिया जाएगा।
अयोध्या धर्म की नगरी है और अयोध्या में से शुरुआत जो है ये शुभ जो है माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी नरेंद्र मोदी जी के लिए अयोध्या जो है शुभ है, क्योंकि अयोध्या जो है ये धार्मिक नगरी है। यहाँ साधु संतों का भी यहाँ आशीर्वाद है, भगवान राम का आशीर्वाद है, हनुमान जी का आशीर्वाद है। अयोध्या से उनकी रैली जो है वो हम चाहते हैं कि वो सफल हो। अगर हमको भी वो जो है मौका मिला तो हम भी जो है फूलों से जो है माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी का स्वागत करेंगे।
My colleagues Piyush and Samarth are in the temple city of Ayodhya. Coming to you first, Piyush, if you can show us what kind of preparations are being done for Prime Minister's visit and for the road show.
Temple where is expected to offer prayers at Ram Lalla temple. Right behind me is the same place, the NC gate of Ram temple, where Prime Minister will be reaching.
We'll try and reconnect with Piyush. My colleague Samarth is also with me from Lata Chowk in the city of Ayodhya. Samarth, we understand Lata Chowk will be the end point of the road show. A lot of people actually are very excited to see Prime Minister almost after a gap of 3 months.
Well, Ashwarya, Lata Chowk is the end point for the roadshow, and that's why it's very important. The roadshow will start from the Sugriv Kila and it will be like for 30 minutes the roadshow will continue in Ayodhya. I'm currently at the Lata Chowk, and if you see behind me, you can clearly see the Surya Stambs, the focal points that were during the Pran Pratishtha event, and these are just majestic views from Ayodhya's Lata Chowk, which clearly signifies Jai Siya Ram written right here, a symbol of Om, and the Surya Stambh, because we know that the sun was the god for Lord Ram, as he was the Kshatriya ruler right there in Ayodhya. Rather, the history of Ayodhya, and now Prime Minister's roadshow during Lok Sabha elections is having its view for the BJP as well, because we know that Ayodhya comes in the Awadh region, and his roadshow will just not connect to the people with the people of Ayodhya, but also the nearby districts like Ayodhya, like Gonda, Bahraich, Basti. So these districts will also may get some mileage for the Lok Sabha election that will push BJP quite ahead, and that's why Prime Minister's vote is quite important for the BJP in terms of political purposes as well. But if you talk to the people of Ayodhya, they come from different regions, Maharashtra, South, and we saw Indore, many places. We had a word with a lot of pilgrims right here who were right there, and they were in a way saying that they have seen the development in Ayodhya. They came there years back, and now again they are coming. That's a massive change that happened in Ayodhya. So it's not just about that Ram temple, it's also much about Ayodhya's development, be it about the roads, be it about the cleanliness, or many other factors that revolve around Ayodhya. But if you see this picture right here, the arrangements have also been made right here in that area. You can clearly see the barricading right here, because this is one area from where the roadshow will pass, and police have barricaded the entire area. That means from that point to that point where the Ram Temple road starts, but no vehicle will be allowed except the passes, including to that of police or some ministers, and that's why the entire area has been barricaded. And police is also keeping a vigil eye about RAF Jawans. I could also see some RAF Jawans also right here keeping a vigil eye. So that's why security arrangements are foolproof for PM Modi visit, but also in terms of elections, that's going to be a boost for the Saffron Party.
You were showing us the Surya Stambh, and Suryavanshi is a word which is often associated with Lord Sri Ram. So definitely the people also are all gearing up. From what we understand, the roadshow will be almost of 3 kilometers.
Well, exactly, Aishwarya, the roadshow is somewhere around 3 kilometers. That will start from Sugriv Kilat and that will end around Lata Chowk. And we saw last time around how Prime Minister of India clicked selfie around the selfie point along CM Yogi was also assembled there. And another thing to show you is these kind of electric buses right here. Because the Ayodhya people never imagined such electric buses to roam around in this particular city. As you can clearly see that passengers inside the bus going one point to another, and it's quietly written right here, Shri Ram ki Nagri, Ayodhya Dham mein aapka swagat hai. You can clearly see these kind of buses right here. Ayodhya Dham mein aapka swagat hai, Shri Ram ki Nagri. These kind of words are quietly written right here. And these buses ferry a lot of passengers, because nobody expected these buses at least to roam around the narrow lanes of Ayodhya. But how things drastically changed. I'll also try to have a word. कितना बदलाव देख रहे हैं आप अयोध्या में?
अच्छा बदलाव है।
अच्छा बदलाव है। प्रधानमंत्री का दौरा भी है आज।
ठीक ही है।
मुलाकात करनी है?
नहीं,
सामने से देखने का मन है। कैसा बदलाव है? सड़कों को चौड़ीकरण वगैरह हुआ है?
हाँ, सड़कों का चौड़ीकरण।
ठीक है. So you can clearly see, can sense what the people of Ayodhya, or those who have come from different states, different regions, they are ferrying in these buses. I'll also try to make a word with the bus owner, with the conductor, and you can clearly see what changes Ayodhya had. Few months, passengers आते हैं आपके पास गाड़ी में अभी.
That was my colleague Samarth, who's standing at the Lata Chowk. Let me tell you, the roadshow which will begin will be about 3 kilometers. It will almost start from the Ram temple and will go all the way till Lata Chowk. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, this is the first time he's visiting the state. He's visiting Ayodhya, and he will, land there at about 6:30 p.m. Then he will straight go to the temple. There will be a puja that will be performed, and after that, there will be a road show that will take place. All the Mahants, most of the major Mahants, will actually be joining Prime Minister Narendra Modi in this road show.
मंदिर
Chowk Choraha, from where Prime Minister will be beginning his road show. And before that, all arrangements have been made here. Giant hoardings of PM Narendra Modi and Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath have been put up here, where the achievements of Modi government have been mentioned. You can see as to how there is one hoarding which reads Surakshit Ghar Parivar Vishwas Desh Ka Guarantee Modi Ki. At the same time, there is another hoarding which has been put up right in front of the entry gate of Ram Temple, in front of Birla Mandir, where the hoarding reads Chandrayaan ki safalta ab antariksh mein unchi udan. So here the arrangements have been made by the administration. PM Narendra Modi will be reaching at around 7 p.m. Before that, he will do two big rallies in Uttar Pradesh only, and after that he will reach here at Ayodhya at 7 p.m. After offering prayers at Ram Temple, PM Narendra Modi is going to take part in a massive road show. Let me also try to show you the pictures of arrangements that have been made here. Security arrangements have been made here. The entire route has been completely barricaded. From the Teri Bazaar, which is the same famous which is famous market in Ayodhya, the entry of vehicles has now been banned by the administration. Only few vehicles who have got legal pass, only they are allowed. With video journalist Jagannath, I am Piyush Mishra in Ayodhya for India Today.
My colleagues Piyush and Samarth are currently in the city of Ayodhya. Prime Minister will be reaching in the evening today.